If you are a graduate in life sciences, pharmacy, nursing, biotechnology, microbiology, physiotherapy, or any healthcare related field and you're wondering what career path to choose next, this video could completely change your career journey because one of the fastest growing healthcare careers today is medical coding. And the best part, you do not need programming skills to start. Let's understand the complete medical coding roadmap. Step 1. Build a strong foundation in medical terminology and human anatomy. You must understand body systems, diseases, surgical procedures, and medical language. Step 2. Master ICD-10-CM coding. ICD-10-CM is used to assign diagnosis codes. Understanding guidelines and rules is essential for every medical coder. Step 3. Learn CPT coding. CPT codes are used to report medical procedures and services performed by healthcare providers. This includes evaluation and management, surgery, radiology, pathology, and laboratory and medicine services. CPT coding is a vital skill. Step 4. Understand HCPCS Level 2 coding. HCPCS codes are used for medical supplies, equipment, and medications. Learning HCPCS completes your knowledge. Step 5. Practice real-world coding scenarios. Companies hire candidates who can apply coding guidelines accurately. Mock questions play a huge role in success. Finally, prepare for CPC certification. A CPC certification can significantly improve your job opportunities and professional growth in the healthcare industry. Have you watched multiple free videos but still feel confused about where to start? Are you struggling to find a structured learning path? If your answer is yes, then this course is designed exactly for you, introducing the medical coding basics to Advanced Complete Masterclass. In this comprehensive course, you will learn complete medical terminology, human anatomy and physiology, and ICD-10-CM coding guidelines. CPT coding from basics to advanced, HCPCS coding, practical coding examples, CPC style questions, and real-world scenarios. Whether you are a fresher, a life science graduate, or someone planning a career transition, this course provides a structured step-by-step experience. Healthcare is growing rapidly and medical coding continues to be one of the most in-demand careers. The best investment is in your skills. Start your medical coding journey today. Enroll now and take the first step toward building a successful healthcare career.